Good morning, Bhaktavachalam. Today, we are going to concentrate on flexibility exercises. This flexibility exercises will especially stretch your lower back, quadratus lumbar muscle. This is one of our natural method to stretch the muscles, as well as we are going to use the stick. The stick should be your eyebrow height, and this is the bamboo stick. If this stick is not available in your home, the stick will be there that you can use, or else it will get in the market sites that you can buy and you can use it. Now we are going to do the forward bend stretch. Like, keep your legs to the shoulder level and don't bend the knees. While going down, open your mouth and exhale. Open your mouth and exhale. So before going to these exercises, I kindly request you all to go compulsory for stretches and walking or jogging at least 15 to 20 minutes. Once you feel that you have get a good stretch, you can start your exercises. This is the flexibility conditioning exercises to improve your range of motion in your joints and range of motion of the muscles, ligaments and tendons. So at least try to 10 to 15 repetition and give a recovery for each and every set. At least try for 3 to 5 sets. So minimum you should try for 15 repetitions into 5 sets. And second exercise, this will stretch your lateral muscle of the lat as well as transverse abdominis and piriformis, and slightly it will stretch your sartorius in the sidewards. So this is one of the best stretch. So while doing these exercises, don't lean forward, and while going down, exhale, coming up, inhale. Open your mouth, exhale and inhale via nostril. So same 15 repetitions into 3 or 5 sets with recovery of 30 seconds. And the third exercise, we are going to do forward bend. Keep your one leg forward. Don't bend both of the knee. Right leg knee and left leg knee should be straight. Keep your foot straight. Don't give arch in the spine. Tuck your core and maximum bend down. Try your maximum range of the flexibility. Find out your flexibility range. While going down, exhale. While coming up, inhale. Once you finish 15 repetitions in the right leg, and you can change to the left leg. So both the legs, when you finish, it's called a one set. After the one set, you can go for the recovery for 30 to 45 seconds. And after, you can start your second set. At least try to 3 to 5 repetitions. Those people who have a tear in hamstring or knee surroundings or a calf muscle, a muscle tear, they should avoid these exercises. You can do in empty body without a stick. And the fourth exercises is turning. Yes, tilt your upper body, that's all. Keep your head straight and just push your upper back. It will stretch your upper back, lat and quadratus lumbar, and these muscles will get extra range of motion. So one of the best exercise. While you are pushing forward, exhale. So exhale, 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 exhale. So 15 repetitions into 3 to 5 sets with 30 seconds recovery. And next exercise, we are going to open the legs wider, confirm your balance and take your stick towards your toe finger. Yes, push, exhale, 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 exhale. So slightly come up Carefully close your legs. The last exercise. Tilt your upper body and tilt your legs. So try to touch the stick. While doing this, confirm your balance. While raising your legs, exhale. While coming down, inhale. Yes, yes, yes. So one of the great exercise to improve your range of motion. Today we have done it very good with a stick. One of the best formation to improve your range of motion. Try it in your home. And again I remember you, before going to the exercises, kindly go for the walking or jogging at least 15 to 20 minutes. And after finish your whole body stretches, the whole body stretches I have uploaded in previous videos. If you have any doubt, you can go through that videos. And after that you start these flexibility exercises, because the warm up and stretches will help to take to extra range of motion. So take care, stay home, stay healthy. Thank you. Good day.